Alright, today we're diving deep into the thrilling world of my blueberry bush having a quarter-life crisis. Welcome to the orchard, where chaos meets gardening. First up, soil pH check. I'm using not one, but two testers, because I trust no one, not even myself. Result, 5.4 and 5.0. Solidly blueberry acceptable, but if not soil pH, what else is wrong? Next step, surgery time. I'm digging out this poor soul with all the gentleness of someone trying to sneak a cookie from a sleeping dragon. Carefully peeling off the soil, and bam, plot twist. It made a separate mini plant. The roots though, yeah, not the worst I've seen, but definitely needs therapy tier. For 2 years after planting, should have been bigger. Fun fact break. Blueberries literally need acidic soil to survive. Anything over pH 5.5 and they start writing sad poetry. Back to the operation. Even though pH is acceptable-ish, the soil itself is heavier than the emotional damage from school. Solution? Plant spa day baby. I'm dunking this underwhelming stick figure into a bucket of Leonardite suspension. Sounds fancy, because it is. Leonardite equals the ancient wisdom of dead plants, packed with humic and hulmic acids, basically plant multivitamins. Meanwhile, time to whip up that premium soil mix. Sand, peat moss, pine shavings, pine bark, compost, a sprinkle of NPK 12, 11, 18 fertilizer. Mixed. Magic. Dumping it into the hole. Oh. I removed too much old soil. Rookie move. Mixing more. Alright, we're back. Already planted the mini-me bush. Now cleaning roots. Risky? Yup. Worth it? We'll find out. Stay tuned for season 2. Now, gently planting the bigger one. Pressing the soil around. Bucket with Leonardite. Now basically the holy grail of root stimulation. Slow, deep watering, because rushed hydration is so last season. Topping everything with a cozy pine bark mulch blanket. Done. Meanwhile, their neighbors, green, leafy, thriving. Fast forward, 1 week later, testing the pH again. We're at 4.7 and 4.8 now. Nice. Acidic. Plants still look like they're questioning their life choices. Was it worth the effort? Probably not. Will the plant survive? Most likely not. Could I have just replaced it with a new bush? Absolutely. But where's the character development in that? Wrapping up by showing some of the new spots where I'm planting even more blueberries. I guess I got a little reckless. Also, flexing 2 bushes that have so many flowers, they're basically running a side hustle as a wedding bouquet supplier.